Hey everybody, it's Mandy here from healthylivingforhotmesses.com. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick video unboxing a package that I received for New Year's from Kiss Me Organics. So Kiss Me Organics is a company that does organic tea products. Their products are all fair trade and GMO free and kind of all that really good crunchy stuff that we all like to see in products. So first of all, one of the products that I received from Kiss Me Organics is this raw organic dandelion root tea. So I'm super excited about this because for some reason I keep seeing recipes for dandelion root tea lattes and things like that on my Facebook timeline. So I'm totally going to be trying this out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm really excited about this. I know that when I originally started drinking green tea, not just matcha, but green tea was for to aid in digestion. So I'm excited to try this new dandelion root tea. And so I also received more matcha, which I'm like super excited about. So I love matcha and I specifically love the matcha from Kiss Me Organics. I find that their matcha is really, really good. This is the tea from Kiss Me Organics. So it's this really bright, beautiful green color. And it's just so good, especially if you mix it up and put it with some coconut or regular milk and make a latte with it. So good. So I really recommend you try that. And the other product that I got from them is a new one, and it's super exciting because it's like gorgeous. But this is a ceramic mug. Oh, and there's the logo. So it's got this like ceramic lid. And then the best part is this infuser basket. So you can put your tea in here, you can put your hot water in here, and you can have your tea to go in a container that is a little bit more environmentally friendly because you can just wash it and reuse it over and over. This mug also came with a silicone lid. This is what it looks like right here. It's a silicone lid that can just go on the top here so that you can take it as a travel mug, which is the intention. And there are a bunch of different colors and styles that you can go with. So really I would urge you to just go and check it out on the website. There is a coupon here for their blooming tea. If you're not familiar with blooming teas, they're super cool. It's tea that you know, blooms when you put hot water on it. So it's really just very visually appealing type of tea. It's super neat. And then there's also this little insert here. So basically if you order some products from them and you go to this website here and you enter your order code, what will happen is that you can get a free report here about tripling your antioxidant absorption from matcha. I did want to say thank you so much to Kiss Me Organics for sending this stuff to me. I'm super excited to try the dandelion root tea. I already know I like adore your matcha, and I'm super excited about this cup because it's really pretty.